Hi dear, this is Eyelashes. We have a professional factory, so we have many kinds of lashes. For example, the mink lashes, the BRO lashes, and also the Russian strip lashes, and the handmade lashes, and also the very popular styles, the DIY lashes, segment lashes. For the natural styles, it's very suitable for the delay, and also the dramatic styles is suitable for the date or the party. For the lashes band, we have 4 different bands. It's the single clear band and the double clear band, also the single black band and the double black band. We also can customize lashes for you. And we also have the magnet lashes, the 3 magnets, 5 and 10 magnets. So many kinds of lashes you can choose. Which style do you want to order?